I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Chrome in Windows computer. So here, I'll be showing you how you can do this on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you want to turn on dark mode on your Chrome browser on Windows 11, Windows 10, you'll discover that there is no go to action button. Or now you can easily turn on or turn off the dark mode on your Windows computer. So here, you learn the steps on how to force dark mode on your Windows computer. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you can either right click on your Windows home screen like this and choose personalize. Then this takes you to the personalization settings on your Windows computer. So this works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can also click on the start button on your Windows and then select the settings. Once you select the settings, then on the left side, click on personalization, and this is going to take you to where to personalize your Windows. Now, to force dark mode on Chrome or any other application on your Windows computer, all you need to do is scroll down and click on colors. Then once you selected colors, locate choose your mode, and here make sure you turn on dark mode. Then once you selected dark mode, this is going to force dark mode on all the application on your Windows computer. This includes the Chrome browser. Then if you go ahead and open the Chrome browser, you should see the dark mode has been forced on your Chrome browser. You see this? Now compare this to the light mode. So let's go ahead and switch to light mode. Now go back and open the Chrome browser. This is actually the light mode. Now under your mode, make sure you select dark here. However, if you only want to set dark mode on apps without setting dark mode on your Windows computer itself, all you need to do is come to choose your mode and select custom. Now once you selected custom, come down to choose your default Windows mode. Then let's make the default white. So this is going to change your Windows mode to light mode. Now choose your app mode. Here, make sure you select dark mode. So this is going to force dark mode on other application on your Windows 11. Now go hide and minimize this or close this. You can still see that the Chrome browser on your Windows computer is still running the dark mode. So this is how you can easily force dark mode on Chrome on Windows computer. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.